Well, this is the Predator engine at Arbor Freight I'm thinking about getting. I don't know. There's so many decisions to make. I gotta make the right one. Alright, let's see. Let's pull the next one up. It's gonna take a little while for it to pop up. Gotta go through a bunch of junk. Oh. Yep. Ain't gonna show it on that website. I'm getting there. Just be patient. Yeah, this tablet's acting a fool. I think we got it this time. Now that is the Briggs & Stratton 1350 engine that I'm thinking about getting. Yeah, I don't know. It's decisions after decisions after decisions. Now, let's pull up some other pictures. That's the back of the 1350 Briggs & Stratton engine. Now, that's the back of the Predator 212 engine. Alright, a few more pictures and I'll be done with this mess. Let's go to this. And that's the one reduction sleeve on Amazon. It comes with the keyway key, and that's basically it. Thing is, how long is it really? Because otherwise, I'm gonna be having issues when I go to put it on the engine, and it's too long. Because I can't shave a lot of it off, because otherwise I mess it up. All right. And this is the other reducer for the 3/4 1 inch. And it also comes with a keyway key also. At, I don't know, decisions. Because I got to get something done. But y'all have a great one, and I'll see y'all later. Good day and goodbye.